are they called pigs in blankets?
Because we put the blanket on, the pigs might feel warm.
Okay, that's a clever answer. So first we're going to line the pigs in blankets on the pastry. You get one out.
That one's very slimy.
Yeah, a little bit. Do you want to put that here? Good work. Another one.
Yeah,
That
it's
here.
a bit slimy.
Still? Are you sure it's still slimy?
Yeah.
Get them all lined up. We need one more for here.
I'll get this one.
Good work. Oh, the blanket is coming off. We need to wrap him right back. Wrap it right back.
Thank you.
And then you put the last one there. Good work. Now it's time to roll up the sausage rolls. You've got to roll them together with the pastry. Like that. Nearly there. Oh, brilliant.
They are pea cafes.
Yep, that's okay. And now, to make sure that it sticks together, you're going to put your finger in water and rub it in the pastry. Do that. Oh no, yeah, it needs to be right near the pigs. Good work. And then roll again. That's enough rolling. Good. That should stick together. Get a grown up to cut the pastry dough for you. Then cut each roll to smaller pieces like this. Where the sausages are. So now we have 4 sausage rolls, 4 pigs in blanket sausage rolls. Isn't that clever? Very simple.
The sausage roll now
We need to bake it first, okay?
in the oven.
In the oven. So you get an adult to bake it for you in the oven. Should we make some more pigs in blanket sausage rolls?
Yeah.
Now let's into smaller bits.
We can't cut sausages.
You have to get a grown up to cut it.
And I'm a grown up. I can cut sausages.
Yes, when you're a grown up. Now that our pigs in blanket rolls are lined up on the baking tray, Mommy will help you whisk together the egg yolk just to get it nice and combined. Get a grown up to make some pretty slashes on the pastry. It's so simple, isn't it? Only 3 things, and we're making pigs in blanket sausage rolls.
They are smelling yummy now.
They look very yummy, but we still need to bake them. So get an adult to put these in the oven at 175 degrees for 20 minutes.
Sausage rolls.
Thank you, Mummy, for watching.